What's good, everybody? I know it's been a while since I've made a YouTube video. I remember I made a statement saying if I was able to get to 1K, I will start making YouTube videos. And yeah, I've just been burnt out. Okay, so for all the new viewers here, my name is Millhouse. I am an artist. I'm trying to improve in any type of way possible, even if it's coming up with like crazy ideas or just buying books and buying courses. I review the stuff that I normally purchase and show it to you guys and give you guys my thoughts and opinions on certain things. So today we're going to be doing a book review. And for those who are questioning, where have I been? Well, some of you guys might know I've just been working a 9 to 5 with crazy amount of overtime, and I was getting extremely burnt out and I could not make any new videos. It was just, I was getting tired of being tired of recording tired. But yes, I'm back on the regular schedule of things, making content and just dipping my toes back into social media. But let's forget about that, because today I got a book review for you guys that I think is amazing. It's one of the best books that I have bought so far, and oh my god, I'm still thankful for my 9 to 5. I'm glad it's over, but but I am so glad that I am able to show you guys this amazing book. Okay, so the previous audio was trash, and now I'm gonna just do a voiceover. So I got Taco's Point Drawing, and it's an amazing book. It's a 2-volume book. So you have book 1 and book 2, and book 1 is more on the overall body, and then book 2 is going to be talking about heads and eyes and face shapes and stuff like that. So I'm just going to flip through the book real quick just to show you stuff that I really liked, and just so you can get an idea of what you're going to get when you buy this book. And I really suggest you guys to get this book, especially if you're trying to improve on your anatomy, and especially if you're trying to be like a manga artist or you like just drawing in an anime style. I think this is a perfect book to go with. I have affiliate links down below. Those are affiliate links that will help out this channel, and it'll help me make more content and help me do more book reviews, so you guys don't have to waste your money on buying books that you don't need. Anyway, back to the video. So here we got like some pecs and stuff. These are things I have never seen on Pinterest or floating around on Instagram that Taco posts. So I think he really put his time and effort into making these books. I know a lot of them are a collection of his tutorials, but literally I have not seen any of these things that that's in this book. I might have seen I think the chibi somewhere around, but other than that, all this stuff is new to me. And there's something really nice about having a book that would have all the tips and tutorials all in like one place, instead of you looking on your computer searching for it everywhere. In this table of contents, you have part 1 and part 2 for this book, and the second book there'll be 3 parts to the book. So this one goes over again the body, arms, legs, hands. Oh my god, he simplifies hands in a way that, man, I just can't wait to start diving into this book and really master hands. Hands have been like one of the things that I have the hardest time trying to draw. Normally I just draw hands just being like little crinkly fries or sausage fingers or whatever. A lot of them have no joints in them whatsoever. But I'm getting distracted. I'm getting carried away here. But yeah, just take it all in. I really love how he breaks it down in multiple angles here, and he highlights the areas that he's talking over. This book is in Korean and English, so as I'm trying to get the camera to focus, you can't see it, but the bold is Korean and the very light font is English. So that is the best part about this book. Unlike the first book that I bought, it was all in Korean, which I had no problem, but it would just be really nice if it was in English so I can get like a better context about like what he's talking about specifically. But overall, you cannot even read this book and just follow along, and that's why I really love his book. See how like simply he breaks down the hands, and it just works out. I can see myself making these hands. Now we're moving on to book 2. Book 2 is all about the heads. Get your heads, the head shapes. what makes a character look younger, what makes a character look older, the dimensions of the head, which I think a lot of beginner artists are not really connecting the dots on. Sometimes we just draw our faces flat, and there's a lot more dimensions and curves to the head, especially if you're drawing anime. So this book has the rest. This is 3 parts. So this is part 3, 4, and 5. The 5th part is all the illustrations, and part 3 is mostly about the heads, and then moving on to more details about other body parts, especially feet and ankles. So this is a part right here that I was talking about before. There's a dimension here. There's where your forehead ends. There's a ridge to it from your eyebrows down to your eyelids or eyeballs. You can see that there is your face kind of caves in a bit and then jets out just a little bit. Those are just a really helpful tip on just improving your faces, especially here with the eyes, the eyelids, the face, how you can draw the face within a triangle and have it fit in. Shows like from a range of ages, or even on the types of eyes, how far apart the eyes are, how close they are. It can mean a lot about making a character look unique or old or younger or carefree. The nose part, I really like the nose, and the ears. I read through this book as a way to like study my head shapes along with the Stonehouse anatomy, and this part right here, I will never forget this because it's like the outside of the ear looks like a question mark. I started doing this once I saw it. I didn't even practice drawing the ears or anything like that. I started just doing this with all the ears that I make. They don't follow the question mark because I make like pointy demon ears, but I do the whole little loop around for the earlobes and going in and having like the skin curl in, to make the ears. Again, this book is like, it is full of gold. It is literally full of gold. I love this book so much. This like had to be one of my favorite purchases in 2022 right now. And I wish I bought this book a lot sooner. I know after I did my first book review, people commented saying, hey, there is another version of this book that's in English. And I'm like, what? You lie. I've never seen said book. And I really tried looking. And I was really iffy about buying this book because I was like, I really want to get the one in English, but I guess because it never said on Amazon that if it was translated or not. It said Korean okay or something like that. And I just bought the book anyway. And I was like, well, whatever, I'm gonna learn. I don't care. Like, knowledge is knowledge. But it's so helpful to have a book that's like also in English. Oh man. But yeah, super happy about this purchase. You have the thick neck to thin neck and the ratios on that. Head shapes, hair has also been another thing that I struggle with. This is actually one of my favorite hairstyles. Yeah, I just watch too much anime. I just watch way too much anime. And out of all the anatomy books that I have, I'll say this is like one of my favorite ones because this is actually just teaching me the little tips and tricks of the things that I really want to improve on immediately. Unlike some of the books, which are still like, valid, and I think it's still great to have in my library, that focuses on the intricacies of the muscles, the skeletal form, and the way it's depicted in drawings. But this is more up my speed, if that makes sense. If anyone here feels the same way as I do, please leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about this book versus a Bridgman book or a Michael Hampton book. Here you can see like they broke down the legs in simple shapes. It's just super easy to follow through. Just on a glance, I'm like, I'm learning. I'm learning even more just by recording over my audio and looking at this video. Like, I have the book right next to me, And just watching this, I'm like, yes, please keep flipping the pages, old me, so I can just passively learn this way. Anyway, if you guys want more books, I have a link down below to my kit. I have a list of all the books, even art books that I own that inspire me to help draw and create and come up with ideas for my illustrations and stuff that I like to, you know, draw, illustrate. Yeah, check out those links. You won't be disappointed whatsoever. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate all your comments, likes, and all that good stuff. If you guys find my content enjoyable, or if you guys like any more of my videos and you want to see more books, you know, I got some more books right here. If you just click on that one time, you'll see some of the stuff that I already bought and reviewed. I have tons of more books, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.